First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
It's a bit muggy out there, and it looks like the mugginess or the muggies are going to continue for a while. And a little bit of unsettled weather coming our direction, especially as we get into Tuesday night into Wednesday, as a cold front, a pretty significant one, comes through, and there's even the threat we could see maybe some strong to severe storms. But right now, things are pretty quiet on First Alert Live Doppler radar. We do have a little boundary. It's hard to see, but been noticing a few clouds with a boundary that's just south of us, and it's kind of laying right across the northern Middle Tennessee area. So as the afternoon continues, we'll see just these little spotty showers just popping up along that boundary as it heads north. And I think there's plenty enough moisture in the area to help pop those. So wouldn't be too surprised, especially as you head, say, over toward the Cumberland, the higher Cumberland Ridge area, and as you head out to the Cumberland Plateaus, what I'm trying to say, over to the southeast of us, I think you're more likely to see some elevated showers and thunderstorms pop up there. Not everybody's going to get rained on. It's going to be one of those situations where you could get a brief shower, and then as we get past dark, then things just kind of fade away because we lose the heating. But we've got plenty of heat right here, 81 degrees, and as you can see already, Storm Prediction Center looking at, now this is Wednesday, specifically Wednesday afternoon and evening. We're looking at a possibility, a slight risk of some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms. The main threat, kind of up and down the I-65 corridor, would be damaging wind and hail, because we have this cold front coming in, a lot of cool air behind it, and that's going to set up the perfect scenario for some possibly damaging wind, hail-producing storms. Tornado threat minimal, but we can't completely rule it out, as you know, in these kind of situations. So kind of a know the weather before it knows you situation. This is your heads up for a couple of days from now. Well, let's show you what's going on right now with temperatures. Mesonet sides already warming up into the low 80s pretty much everywhere across southern Kentucky. About the warmest, 83 in Franklin is the warmest we're seeing so far. And you throw in the dew points. This is the time of year you're going to see this map a little bit more often, especially when the muggy air begins to move in. And when you start to see upper 60 to 70 degree dew points, that's another way we measure the amount of moisture in the air. That means there's a lot of not only available moisture, but a very thick air mass, and the kind that once you step outside, it feels very muggy. So mid and upper 60, low 70 dew points, we are there already. And now here's another map you'll see a lot of this time of the year, the heat index. And already we're starting to feel like we're in the mid to upper 80s back into western Kentucky, thanks to the increased dew points, the amount of moisture in the air, and that sunlight heating it up. There is a little bit of a wind out there mixing things up out of the south at 10 to 15 to 20 miles per hour. So it doesn't feel real bad. It just feels kind of muggy, and it's going to stay that way for the rest of the afternoon. As we look live from Doppler Cam, seeing a few fair weather clouds, nothing building right now or towering up as far as thunderstorms go. 81. Current temperature feels like 84, though. South wind at 12. That's helping mix up the atmosphere a little bit. But the dew point is at 66 and the humidity at 61%. So it is going to feel muggy, and it does as the afternoon, and will continue that for the afternoon. Glasgow at 82 from our AAA Systems weather cam. Here's Munfordville at 82 degrees, and you're seeing a few puffy fair weather clouds at this hour. Seeing a few clouds, but not building up that high in the atmosphere just yet over at Litchfield. Your temperature is at 82, but watch for some of these cumulus clouds to start to tower up a little bit more. That would be your signal that you may start to get a shower or thunderstorm later on. We're seeing lots of clouds around us with stronger thunderstorms out in the Midwest, and a line of storms now. Kansas City, they have been being hit all morning long with some rough weather. Starting to see another line of those thunderstorms coming in. Now starting to see some spotty showers, isolated and widely scattered variety, starting to pop up back toward Little Rock and the Boot Hill, Missouri. Also watch that little area I showed you in northern Middle Tennessee for that, for some future development later this afternoon. 82 at the airport at this hour, and that's running 3 degrees warmer than at midday yesterday. So the prognosis here, we're going to find those summer-like pop-up variety showers and thunderstorms all around the area this afternoon with the daytime heating, the available moisture, and then things lining up with that front back west of us, especially tomorrow. And there could be a few severe storms with that system back west of us, but it won't be until about Wednesday when that front arrives here and then an impulse of low pressure rides along the front. I think that's going to be our best bet for getting the stronger thunderstorm potential here for southern Kentucky. Mostly sunny, warm and humid this afternoon. A slight chance of an isolated shower thunderstorm, 87. Then tonight, 66. Isolated thunderstorms early evening, then partly cloudy and humid during the overnight hours. Tomorrow we'll make it back to a warm and muggy 85 with a little better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, but the best chance comes Tuesday night and during the day Wednesday with that maybe severe weather potential and a cooler 73. And then we stay in the 60s as the showers continue, but start to wane off a little bit into Friday and Saturday. But look at the much cooler temperatures with highs only in the mid 60s. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.